Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you something called a Ziosk. Z-I-O-S-K. Now what a Ziosk is chain restaurants in the US use these things called Ziosks. And what they are is you can play games on them, you could order food, you could order drinks, you could even pay your bill. So as I will show shortly, I went to a restaurant with family the other night, and I've seen these before at other restaurants, but this particular restaurant I went to is called Olive Garden, so you're going to see all of their stuff, and I just happened to be there, and I figured this would make a very good video to explain what this is. So these are Linux ran machines, and it's a tablet basically with a really nice looking stand. They call it a Ziosk. It's technically a portable kiosk. So I am going to show a video of me actually using it. So as you can see, I am scrolling through the Ziosk options itself. So down at the bottom you have drinks, you have food, you have game and apps, e-club, and digital menu. The drinks are like wine and mixed drinks from the bar and stuff like that. Food is regular food. Game apps are games. Obviously, they do charge you to play those, so you got to be careful about that. And I'm just going through all of them to see what's there. There's e-club. What e-clubs are digital clubs. You get coupons and all that. And this is the digital menu with the QR code. And I'm just sitting there playing with it. Go back to the e-club. And unfortunately, a family member was paying for the dinner, so I couldn't go through a lot of the stuff that I want to. And it's actually very, very responsive. Now, you do get a receipt from this. I'll show a picture of that in just a second. But if you see here, you have all the drinks, wine futures, wine pairings, and all that. So they give options on what you could do. So I will show a picture of the printer. Now, what you're seeing is the receipt tape. This is a thermal printer that's installed in these, and the reason you see Ziosk on that piece of paper right there, the receipt paper, is when they boot these systems up, it does a test print to make sure the printer is working. So you would get something like this when you pay your bill. And this is the same kind of printer that's at supermarkets, stores, and stuff like that. It just happens to be portable. So that's how you pay your bill on this. Alright, so I'm going back through that. I'm trying to see how fast you can go through that. This touchscreen is very, very, very responsive on this particular unit. And when you go through drinks and stuff like that, you get different screens that show up. As you see, I turn it around here to show the back of what it is. And that's the back side of that. So I'm just showing all the different pictures and stuff like that. So each time you go back to the previous screen, they have a different picture that shows up. Now, these are all connected through the restaurant's Wi-Fi network. They have a privatized network just for this. Other restaurants have them too, but I just happened to be at the Olive Garden, so that's why I was filming this. So it's mostly the same stuff. And going back through it just to see, and that's pretty much the same right there. You know, every once in a while it will change. And up at the top here, you have call server and you have a cart. The call server will, the servers have like pagers on them. And what will happen is when you push that button, it'll call them over to where their stations are at. Now, the cart itself is like a general cart when you buy stuff online, because technically that's what you're basically doing when you use this. So that did this, then you check out, and then you pay with the credit card. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.